Right folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm starting off in Innerleithen today. So really exciting day today. How do I keep a long story short? So as you know, I own a Bird, love the Bird and just like love that brand. Skip ahead, I'm meeting the guys from Bird. They're coming up today, coming up to Innerleithen. I'm just going to go into number one, and they're bringing a bike for me to try, and other than that I don't know much more about it, so I'm going to head into number one, and I'll catch up when I know a little bit more. Cheers. So this is what I'm going to be riding today. It looks unbelievable, so I'm going to hand over to Ben. He's going to tell you a little bit about it.
So this is our new Aether 7 model. I guess you could probably call it down country. In this particular configuration, we've got a 65-degree head angle, 76.5 degree seat tube. It runs 130mm on the back of the bike. It runs 140 up front. It's essentially a replacement for our 120 model. But what we've done is we've brought the geometry bang up to date, made it really cutting edge for this shorter travel bike. This particular configuration, it's a £3,000 build approximately. You've got Pike Ultimates, RockShox Ultimate Shock on the back. You've got full XT throughout. You've got race face finishing components. It's a really nice build, and it fits into that £3,000 bracket, which is kind of the sweet spot I think for most people's trail bikes. So hopefully we're going to get a good day out on the hills. We're going to go up and hit some trails and see how we get on.
Nice, right, well, I think we're about to head off. It's great. I'm hoping like we actually get some good footage. It's really difficult this time of year with the dark, but just give it our best shot, try and find a few open trails at least. But yeah man, looking forward to it. Right, set up time dudes.
All right, feet off the ground.
Okay.
All right, stand up again.
Okay. We're just getting all the sag and everything set up, just getting it ready. Nice, we're off. Whoop whoop. Oh, I'm dead excited. Honestly, I get this every time, you know, when you're just like on a different bike for the first time. Cannot wait. Be interesting to see how it works with the 130mm travel and this stuff, Golfie, but I am looking forward to it. Well folks, first impressions on the climb are really good. This climbs really nicely. Making good progress up the hill. Sure we'll make better progress down it. I think this is going to be a very lively bike, which should bring a lot of smiles, so we'll keep on cracking on. Okay, we made it. First trail of the day, folks. Me to go first. Yeah, fairly average, my friend. Just shout if you want out of the way. Right. So, first trail on a new bike. Woo! Right, I can't see a thing. Got my goggles on. Still can't see. Wow, this is a peppy bike to say the least, man. Woo! Ah! Can't see. Woo. Oh man, so freaking dark. Oh. Oh. This is pretty bonkers. Woo. Oh. Oh. Right, apologies about the footage, we probably don't have any yet. Yeah, we've just been down Big Ball. It's incredible. Water trail, see when you cannot see, trust me, it's pretty terrifying. The bike so far, oh my god, it's a total little cracker, like, just going for it. So yeah, we'll get down the rest of Big Ball and hopefully find some light trails to film it. Big Paul got the thumbs up from everyone. Yeah, that's a full-on trail to take a new bike first trail down. It was doing pretty well though. Right, cool, we're at the top of the community service. I've not ridden this for ages actually. A really good trail if you've been here. Like, I actually maybe even prefer it to flat white. So I think they've got some newbies to community service as well. Hey! It'll be fine now. This is a lovely trail, so yeah, crack on down, see what it's like. Right, Ben just said last time he did this he ended up in the hospital. It's not what we want. Oh. Tell you what, such a lively bike. I actually was really enjoying it. Oh, super dark. Got Clark up front from Benny Bikes. Hope I've said that right. Wow. Tell you what, wasn't sure how a short travel bike would handle some Golfie Gnartec. I tell you what, pretty freaking decent actually. Whoa! Woohoo! Woo! Oh, we're into this steep now. Got the phone ringing on camera. Woohoo! Hey boys!
I was thinking you said at the top of there, last time I followed Thomas I ended up in hospital. Last time I rode with you, you took me to hospital.
Do you like that trail?
It's good. I really like to be able to see it. Good.
Yeah, that's actually one of my favourite trails. I just think it's just fun. Yeah, weather's not playing ball, so there's a sort of sense of coffee building amongst the group. So yeah, we're good. Bottom of just going to head down repeat offender. I think just 2 bottom sections. As I say, we'll see if we can get some footage. But yeah, looking forward to it.
Okay.
Send it. Yeah.
Shall I go?
I'll try and keep up. If I'm getting in your way, just holler. Woo! Okay. Oh, there we go. This way, Ben. Repeat offender. Right, I can't really remember this one, but let's just go in. Woo! Such a lively wee bike, this. Really enjoying it. Can't actually see too well and don't really remember the trail. I know I've been down it. Oh yeah, now we're working out. Oh, quads are getting pretty pumped. We're into the steep. Go, quit. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh man. Oh, this is full on Golfie. Never fails to kind of take my breath away. Oh my god, scary, but freaking awesome as well. Woo! Oh yes. Bloody hell. Cannot believe literally smashing this stuff on a freaking trail bike. That's incredible. Woo! Right, we're having our final fling at Final Fling. Binned the coffee and thought let's just have like one more ride down here because the trails are a load of fun, Bike is running really well, really enjoyed it that time, so yeah, nice. Gonna have some fun on this, I think. You lads go in front and I'll get some follow cam again if you want. Follow a bit of Ben Bird. Right. Whoa. Tell you what, dudes, it's pretty muddy and whoa. I'm saying I'll get some follow cam, I can't keep up the lads. Oi! Whoa! Whoa, this is good fun, man. Boy. Ooh, this is a bit tasty. I'd forgotten about this. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Woo! I'm just gonna have to send that. Oh my god! Ah! Holy moly! What the? Oh, I was trying so hard not to swear. That was full on. Oh, goodness me. That was freaking awesome. Oh. Oh, nice. Nearly died. That was phenomenal. Yeah, so the bike gets the saving me that it did then. That was incredible. I handled it really well actually. Just as coming down the chute, you know, just like the front just did that little wash, but it leveled up again. That was sick. That was really good. Right, so that's awesome dudes. Right, we are actually going to stop for a coffee now. Just as you know, it's pretty dark and it's just yeah, ready to chill out. What an awesome day. So Ben's really kindly leaving this bike with me, so hopefully the footage worked out today. It was really dark, so if I didn't get that, trust me, there'll be some really nice footage coming up. We'll get some sharing some of that over the next few weeks, but that is fun. That is first impressions would be that is a cracking aggressive little trail bike. And basically, I say trail bike, we were just riding on some pretty gnarly stuff at the Golfie. So yeah, it's a very capable machine. So yeah, see you again soon. Off to go and have some nice coffee and chill out.